Hey, what's up? Sam here. This is the Mi Band 7. I bought it several days ago and I've been testing it heavily in the past few days. It's hard to say I like it, especially compared to the Huawei Band 7. The comparison review video of the two will be on my channel several days later once I use them even more. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Well, today in this video I will show you something special about the Mi Band 7. Just like I've shown at the beginning of this video, I use the Mi Band 7 for gaming, calculating, or even ebook reading. In the next, I'm going to show you how to achieve these cool features. They are cool, right? Just like my sponsor, Geekbuying's 10th anniversary promotion. There are massive coupons, crazy deals, and giveaways. Make sure to check it out. The link is in the description. Before we get started, please make sure to download the app MT Manager and Zip Life. Connect your Mi Band 7 to the Zip Life. Go to store to choose any watch face and sync to your Mi Band. This step takes about 20 seconds, and yeah, please memorize this watch face you've chosen. Then we download the file dynowatchface.bin. For where to download the file, I have put the link in the description. Make sure to check it out. Then we open this file with MT Manager. On the right column, we select Android file, click Data, scroll down to find the file com.xiaomi.hm.health. Click in, go to Files, then we can see the watch skin local file. Tablet, find the watch face file, we just sync it to the Mi Band. Remember, just remind you to memorize it. Then we long press the bin file on the right side, copy its name. Then we long press the dynowatchface.bin on the left side and paste the name we just copied. Then we move the bin file from the left side to the right side. Select Move and Replace and click OK. That's the step on MT Manager. Moving to the Zip Life. Under the previous synced watch face interface, we click Sync with Face and wait about 30 seconds. Bang! The new watch face has synced to your Mi Band. Here we click on the watch face and then we can have fun with it. The same method to install the calculator, other small games, and ebook. By the way, the newest ebook watch face supports up to 10 books, and each book offers up to 500,000 characters. All links for downloading these watch faces I put in the description. You can check them out and try them for yourself. You may wonder how this was possible on the Mi Band 7. Well, not on the previous generations. My guess is they have upgraded to more powerful CPU. I've mentioned this in my previous review of the Mi Band 7. Still, we cannot directly install apps on it. We can use watch faces as the carrier. Just imagine we could program all those classic games like Tetris or Snake and apply them to the Mi Band 7. That would be much more fun than any of its predecessors, right? Of course, we just can't forget to give big thanks to our hardworking developers like GameMe5, yeah, that's his nickname, and the new Aura from the forum bandbbs.in. Without them, this video would be impossible. While playing games or reading ebooks on a 1.56-inch screen doesn't sound like a good idea, it's the spirit that inspires us. Never stop exploring, is it? Alright, that's the video. What are you gonna do with the Mi Band 7? Let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will always share such interesting tech videos beyond these normal ones. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one.